So everybody asked why this V-shaped boom. So Ceres is really cool because they do a lot of testing for spray, and they found that with this V-shaped boom, they were getting similar swath results compared to having a boom that actually comes off the back and folds down. That would work very similar to how a helicopter or a plane would. The only problem with that is you have to be moving fast with that type of a boom in order for your swath to be consistent. Otherwise your downwash screws it all up. Where with this V shape, your swath, your downwash is actually being used to spread out your spray.
So that V shape is superior really to a helicopter with an underside deployment system. It's
using the crop wash to increase its swath and to penetrate the canopy. That's how this V shape is designed. That's why we can spray stuff like fungicide at 40 feet. But if you're going to desiccate or do burn off or any herbicides or anything like that, I'd probably go a little narrower, like 30 feet. But Ceres has all that swath data, so if anybody's interested, then they can just call us and ask us, and we can send them the data so they can see for themselves.
Right on.
So each box, so say you get like a box of fungicide, it'll say on it 20 acres, right? So that treats 20 acres. Okay. Now you can mix it with the water ratio that you like, but the problem is if you put it on too much dilution, you want to follow what the aerial application rate says, right? Because if you put on too much, then it can cause issues. But a lot of guys, especially around here, they're running high water volumes through their high clearance sprayers. So they want to do the same thing, same high water volume, so that the water is a delivery system. Now with these drones, I would never go slow at a high speed, because then what a lot of spray testing has found is that the downforce blows off the water.
Oh yeah.
It dries out the plant.
You have to be moving forward, leaving behind.
You have to be moving forward incredibly fast and leaving a lot behind, which means you need a big tank, means you need big batteries, means you need big everything, and then you're going to leave that behind. And that downforce, now you're not pushing it, you're using water as a delivery system. Yeah.
So is it time to fly?
Let's fly. We're good. That's insane. Because one guy, they're coming out with an 8 nozzle configuration, and one guy was telling me he wants that so he can spray 7 gallons an acre at 40 miles an hour.
Probably for potatoes and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's what it was for.